So I have to ask you, do you buy Ethereum because you believe in the project or because you like the name?
I buy it because it's name at the start. And
Yeah.
I know the terminology, I know it's tech, I know Vitalik, and then I buy it because it's logic about tech.
But at first it's because of the name.
Yeah, just for its name.
How lucky of you. Oh my gosh, I wish I did that too. Hi everyone, welcome to BingX Block Banter. I'm your host Ariel, and today we're talking about Web3 investing and market insights. Joining me here today is Ether Chen, the head of investments at BingX Labs. Ether, welcome to the show.
Hi, and hi, Ira. Thanks for introduction. Ether here. So I'm currently the head of investment and BingX. I got two brands for BingX Labs and Bing Ventures, because we both do strategic investment, ecosystem partnership, and also for financial investments.
What is something about you that most people won't guess?
A quick question: do you hold or buy any Ethereum before or now?
Absolutely, I do.
Yeah. So that's key point. People know me. They think I'm the Ethereum Guardian holder, and yes, I am. But actually, I give myself this name. I don't know Ethereum at all. I don't know crypto at all.
Okay, so you had the name before you knew about Ethereum.
Well, I know this word is something about like Buddhist. But after I think after 2 or 3 years, I get into crypto world. I know Ethereum. So I think that's a coincidence and that's a fortune. And that makes me, for the white paper, the first white paper I looked through is not Bitcoin, it's for Ethereum, because that was back to 2019. And after reading and trying to understand all the terminologies about Ethereum and backboard, I just get to know about Bitcoin then.
So I have to ask you, do you buy Ethereum because you believe in the project or because you like the name?
Yeah, that's a good one. Actually, I buy it because it's name at the start. And I know the terminology, I know it's tech, I know Vitalik, learn all the, all things they've mentioned, and then I buy it because it's logic about tech.
But at first it's because of the name.
Yeah, just for its name.
How lucky of you. Oh my gosh, I wish I did that too. Okay, so how do you balance risk with long-term opportunity, especially in a volatile market like crypto, right?
A volatile market is a good market, because that means you get a chance to earn to arbitrage or earn money from it, either from a pump or a dump, because you can long or short for the token. But a boring market is actually the market is flat, like with no volatile. We're facing it, I think, back to the opening of 2024. So it was kind of a boring market. But in this year, I think market is quite, they have quite more opportunities. So this is for the risk side, and also for the long-term value side is, let's say for the same theory we've discussed, IQ50. If you believe in some tech, you believe in some project, just keep your belief in that one. So stick on it, be the diamond hand. So that's how you get profit from the long-term value. But if you just quit in the middle, maybe you are not earning any profit from it, but you have to accept because you quit too early.
So where I'm getting from is that if you had to give me some key principles for how to trade during a volatile market, it's IQ50. It just comes back to the main principle, IQ50, right?
Yeah, for small market, IQ50, hold your asset.
Hodl.
Yeah.
Okay, believe in the project, hodl, don't think too much.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah. But, unless you're a trader, because if you're a trader, you already have your strategy.
What would you say is the toughest challenge during the bear market and then during the bull market?
In the bear market, three things happens. One is our closure period after investment will be longer. So when in bull market, it typically took maybe 6 to 12 months, especially in crypto. It may be getting quicker. But when it comes to a bear market, we have to expect this closure time from 6 months, extended to maybe 20 or 24 months to 2 years. And the longer time it took to closure to exit, the more uncertainty. So the more, risk to lose money. So this is for bear market. And another thing is the courage for each, venture capital or investor to invest. Are you still believing in the market? Are you still going to invest in it? So this is for bear market, but for bull market, I think also 2 points. The first thing is when you decide to do something, are you decided because the market is formal? We'll use example, the market is all talking about DATs, the DAT, right? The digital asset treasury, and also some tokenized stocks, RWAs. Some venture capitals, they do the investment because they are getting FOMO. Because other guys, other institutions, they are doing so we are going to do so. But maybe they do not have the strategy to hedge. They just want to, do what others do. So this is not good choice in the bull market. And another thing is the inflation of market cap of the project among the projects. So in the quite bull market, like the current market, when we see some projects are doing fundraising or some, especially some public chains, they claim for over maybe to 1 billion or 2 billion valuation. Yes, I think they have good cap table, they have a good team. As an investor, either personal or institutional, you should ask us and ask the projects the same question: what makes you deserve or have such value?
Right, like you kind of question their valuation always.
Yeah. And still, how they respond is important to you as a retail, right?
Yeah.
If you question, okay, why you guys worth 1 billion or 2 billion? If some people stands out to present or make demos about either their product or, ability or tech, so that will be a good, project because they care about the community, they care about the end user also, right? They are not only care about the cap table and fundraising stuff.
True. Speaking of community, Ether, how long have you been in the crypto industry or crypto scene?
It's 6 years.
6 years, so like class of 2019.
Yeah,
As a
2019, the first,
like after
DeFi summer, DeFi
DeFi.
1.0.
Oh, you joined during DeFi summer.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. What would be a lesson from the past market cycles, considering you've been through 2 major booms now?
We should always care about the market shifting, because the past cycle is, let's start maybe from DeFi 1.0, right? It was quite a wild market. Everybody can earn money from the market as long as you know the project and you are not, getting phishing by the hackers. You'll earn money.
Yep.
That's for DeFi 1.0. And how the market shifts from 1.0 to 2.0 is, I think, 2021 or 2022 is DeFi 2.0. And we see projects like, they start building like Athena, Tokamak, whatever. These are 2.0 or Pando. People know these projects. They are all belongs to DeFi 2.0. It's more complicated. It needs user to have a more, comprehensive understanding what the project is doing, and user have to have more, engagement about the project. So this is the market shifting or the pattern shifting. It's not that easy to earn money. Back to 2019 or 20, I just put my money in Uniswap or RV.
Yeah.
They just earn money to me. That's the time you don't have to understand. So we're talking about the pattern shifting, right? So at that time, because that market trend, you have to be really fast as a retail user, right? Moving from this mining pool to another one to recognize which pool is better. So that's upon that pattern, what's your choice? And to DeFi 2.0, it's about like a Pendo. They have they pushing out their point system, and they do airdrops. Right, like most DeFi projects today
still do airdrops.
And based on the points, right? Formally, nobody do the points, nobody record the points and say, okay, I will just based on your point to calculate how much token I should airdrop to you. So this is a pattern shifting. So upon the current market, you have really to be patient and be cautious to decide which project are you going to put it in. It's not all about you are going to lose money. It's also about like you're going to lose your time. So time is the value of time right now is more important.
I like what you said about, the project that is worth paying attention to. You need to really know what project you want to invest your time in. Time is the most important factor, right? What factors of a project is worth paying attention to?
So as an investor or, a primary investor, if we do some C round or primary round, I think a few points. One is product market fit. It's some more, I think, at this round, this cycle, most investors or institutions are talking about, or VCs. That means if your product solves some, let's say, the word pain points to users, and also market fit means if you are providing the right feature to the right market. Let's say for some, sensitive markets, they are not able to do loans or to trade of perps. We are not going to provide a perp in that restricted area, right? So this is for market fit. And second one is cash flow. Cash flow, formally when we talk about how assessing crypto projects, people don't care about if it is going to create cash flow. But actually, it is just starting from 2025 because more and more projects are dying on the opening. So people care more about if your business model can create a positive or at least a theory of healthy cash flow, maybe now or in the future, it's okay. Formally in the past, in the past circles, it's only about how you can earn traffic from user. As long as you have traffic, yes, you are a investable, projects. The final thing is the team itself. If we observe the team, it's not just about how's the founder or co-founder their background. It's about matching. So let's say when we talk about, a public chain, yes, the founder or co-founder at least should be a tech base, right? You should know tech, or you can just not like draw PPTs. So tell people I fork or whatever, I have a chain. It's okay. And another good case is because I really been in love with the project Hyperliquid. So if you are provide a trading product to the market, that means your founding team or entire team have to be traders. And Hyperliquid is the best case because their founder, like Jeff and all their team, the 20-person, are all around trading team.
Right.
So they know what traders need and they can create what actually the market needs.
Yeah, which is great for them marketing ways like created by traders for traders.
Yeah, that's true.
If you had to put in bullet points, what are the few things that, say, BingX Labs or a VC would look at?
First is how's your business model? Second is category or narrative. Let's say if you're preparing for a perp DEX, or if you're doing some tokenized or stable coins or whatever, because this depends on the entire market, not your project. The entire market, the category you are in, how's the upper limit it can reach.
Okay.
For example, if I talk about stablecoin, currently, maybe the upper limit is Tether or Circle, or let's say if they are totally recognized by the regulator, the upper limit is maybe the federal or whatever.
When you say upper limit in terms of market cap?
Yeah, the market cap, the user can attend into your can have integrate with your project.
Okay.
That means the upper limit.
Okay.
So the second one. The third one should be how unique your project or your team can be. So this is kind of tricky, but it's all the investor or VC care about. And there's another word called the barrier. How much the barrier you can create. among your own project. I think the fourth one is what the less I should tell, but it's true. It's
Ooh,
like,
juicy.
yeah, it's luck.
Luck.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's about your timing, about your prototype choosing, about how like maybe your marketing or GTM strategy. Are
Yeah.
you going to TGE? It's all about these things. It's about luck. The decision factor maybe 80 to 90% is
80 to
luck.
90% luck.
Yeah, it's luck. How you driven the market. Most projects like Hyperliquid, like Jin
Yeah.
or Fighting the Meme.
Yeah.
They're back to the time they're approaching to death the project. They're going to quit or stop running.
Yeah.
And then Solana meme just happens. It just happens.
then it
Leading by
pumped up.
Tron. That's luck.
Yeah.
They cannot expand this. But even we're talking about 80 or 90%, the success factor is luck. But in order you should catch that luck, you should getting prepared for it. For the 10%, manual thing you can control, you should do the best, and you should insist to do it. So that's a great project. The difference between a great project and a common normal one.
All right. Thank you so much for all your insight, Ether. This has been really helpful, especially for retail users to understand a little bit more, including projects who want to learn about, how to get noticed by VCs. Are you ready, though, for our quickfire round?
Yes, sure. Let's do it.
Yeah? Okay. Best year for investing in crypto?
Now and never.
Now or never?
Yep.
Most overused buzzword in Web3 right now?
There's too many like RWA, DAT, tokenized coins, or
The one you hate the most, tokenized coins?
tokenized stocks. I don't hate it. Yeah, I don't hate it.
Wait, we have tokenized stocks.
yeah. I don't hate it, but it's kind of tricky, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you could give one piece of advice to new investors starting in the space, what would it be?
I think it's expectation management and do your own research.
DYOR, guys. A big thanks to Ether for his insights, his valuable insights to the community. Ether, do you have anything you'd like to say as a final goodbye?
Keep an eye on us, on me, and on BingX, and we'll just do more in the future.
Thank you, Ether, for being here today. It was a pleasure having you on our show. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes, and we'll see you next time. Bye.